Hi guys, welcome to Freshers Camp. So we are back with another topic of aptitude, which is percentage. But before moving on to the topic, let me tell you about our channel. So we provide regular updates on government jobs, technical, non-technical, and all other type of job opportunities, as well as preparation material for campus placements and government jobs. Do not forget to subscribe the channel for regular updates. Please like the video and leave your queries in the comment section below. So the basic starts with, let's say if we have an equation that we have to represent the particular number as percentage, then it will be written as x percent. This is the sign for percent. To represent a percentage as a fraction, let's say we have x percent. So percent means 100. What is a percentage? Percentage. So that means per 100. So x percent will be x divided by 100. Let's say if 20%, so it will be 20 upon 100, which will be equals to 1. To express a as a percentage, so we have a divided by b will be equals to a divided by b into 100. And we know that if we take example of 1 by 4, then we will have it as 1 by 4 into 100, which is equals to 25%. Moving on to the other formulas. So in some of the questions you will deal with, like if the price of a commodity increase by R%, then the reduction in consumption so as not to increase the expenditure is. So the formula for these types, when you will be asked that if a price is increased by this percent, then what will be the reduction in consumption? So this was the formula for this: R upon 100 plus R into 100%. And if it will be asked if the price of a commodity decreases by R%, then the formula will be R upon 100 minus R into 100%. So you can remember it as, if asked for increase, so increase means profit, so you can remember it as plus. Increase means plus and decrease means minus. So you can learn the formulas because there are a lot of questions which are asked in aptitude exam which is based on this formula. The next type of questions will be based on, if a population of time is p and it increases at a rate of R% per annum, then what will be the population after n years? So the formula for that will be p 1 plus R divided by 100 into n. You know that R is rate percent and p is the population and n is the years. And population n years ago, so the formula for that will be p divided by 1 plus R into n upon 100. So this is the next formula for percentage. Let's say if a present value of a machine be p and suppose it depreciates at rate R% per annum, then what will be the value after n years? We just studied the formula for value after n years and n years ago. So it will be p 1 minus R upon 100 into n. And what will be of n years ago? P divided by 1 minus R into n upon 100. Now if A is R% more than B, then B is less than A. By how much? By R upon 100 plus R into 100%. If A is R% less than B, then B is more than A by R into 100 upon 100 minus R%. I just told you in the above formula that if you ever see less in a question, so you will have to use the formula for subtracting. But this is the change here. If you have a questions of machine and all, then you will have to remember it. If you have less somewhere, so you will always use the formula which have addition in the denominator. And if you have a question which says more than a or somewhat, then you will have a value in denominator which will be subtracted in the denominator always. So let's see some of the basic questions to understand this formula much well. So the question is, a batsman scored 110 runs, which include 3 boundaries and 8 six. What percent of his total score did he make by running between the wickets? So we know that he scored 110 runs, which include 3 boundaries and 8 six. So we know that we get 4 runs for boundary. So we will multiply 3 by 4, and we know that we get 6 runs if we get a 6. So 8 into 6, because 6 was 8 sixes and 3 boundaries, and in total 110 runs. So 110 minus 3 into 4 plus 8 into 6. So it will be 110 minus 60, which is equals to 50. So we know that he in total made 50 runs, right? But we need to know the percent here now. So how we will know the percent? It will be 50 divided by 110 into 100. So it will be equals to 45. It will be equals to 45 511, which is equals to 500%. So let's see one more question. Two students appeared at an examination. One of them secured 9 marks, more than the other, and his marks was 56% of the sum of their marks. So what are the total marks obtained by them? So let their marks be x plus 9 and x. Now why this x plus 9 came? So it came because of, it is already given in the question that one of them secured 9 marks more than the other. So we will assume that if other student marks is x, so the first one is x plus 9. Now we know that x plus 9 is equals to 56% of the sum of their marks. So 56 divided by 100. So I already told you that if in a question it is written as 56% or x percent, then it is always x by 100. So here it will be 56 by 100 of sum of their marks. So here of is representing as multiplication. So it will be 56 divided by 100 into x plus 9 plus x, addition of both the marks of both the students. So after solving, it will be came as 25 x plus 9 equals to 14, 2x plus 9, 3x is equals to 39, and x is equals to 33. So we know that here x is 33. Now what about this x plus 1? So we will calculate it. We will put the value of x here, 33 plus 9, which will be equals to 42. So their marks are 42 and 33. So this is all for percentage part 1. Before ending the lecture, let me tell you that we have already completed these 6 topics of aptitude: speed, distance and time, probability, number series, permutation and combination, profit and loss, and set theory. So in all the last part of these lectures, one tutorial sheet is provided for you guys so that you can learn it better. So do not forget to subscribe the channel for regular updates. Please like the video and leave your queries in the comment section below. Thank you.